I'm sorry, but can someone please tell me what's going on? Like, what is happening?
Hi, welcome to the Hypernormalization Club. I'm so sorry that you're here. So hypernormalization was a term that was coined by a professor of anthropology named Alexei Yurchak, who wrote a book back in 2006 called Everything Was Forever Until It Was No More, The Last Soviet Generation. And basically he was describing the paradox of life in the Soviet Union during the 1970s and the 1980s, where he says everyone knew the system was failing, but no one could imagine any alternative to the status quo. So politicians and citizens alike were resigned to maintaining the pretense of a functioning society. Now, this term was also picked up and used by Adam Curtis, who is a filmmaker. He created a documentary called Hypernormalization in 2016, where he argued that the economic crises in the 1970s in the West, basically governments, finance experts, and technological utopians gave up on trying to shape the complex real world. This is from Wikipedia, and instead established a simpler fake world for the benefit of multinational corporations that is kept stable by neoliberal governments. You can actually see the entire documentary on YouTube. But what you are feeling is hypernormalization. What you are feeling is the disconnect between seeing that systems are failing, that things aren't working, that structures are crumbling, that society is going through these massive shifts, and yet the institutions and the people that are in power just are like ignoring it and are pretending like everything is going to go on the way that it has. And we all know that that's not true. So you are feeling the discomfort between what you know to be true and how you're seeing people react to it. And so your vibes are not off, your instincts are not off. There's a term for it. It's called hypernormalization. You're welcome.